Greetings, everyone. Today, we're delving into the world of hydration hacks, specifically, crafting the ultimate infused water creations. I'm your guide, and let's get started. Staying hydrated just got a whole lot more exciting. Infused water isn't just a thirst quencher. It's a nutrient-packed, refreshing experience. Join me as we explore the ultimate guide to infused water creations. Before we dive in, let's address a common pain point. Staying hydrated can be challenging. Did you know that 75% of people don't consume enough water daily? Infused water makes hydration more enticing and enjoyable. Benefits beyond hydration. Infused water isn't just about hydration. It's about boosting your health. With added vitamins and antioxidants, it's a delicious way to support your immune system and overall well-being. Now, let's move on to crafting your infused water. Start with fresh, filtered water. Add a handful of your favorite fruits, herbs, or even vegetables. The possibilities are endless. Step-by-step infusion. Step 1. Wash and slice your chosen ingredients. Step 2. Place them in your water pitcher. Step 3. Fill with water and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Step 4. Enjoy your refreshing creation. Impactful ingredients. Consider this: adding cucumber not only enhances flavor, but also provides hydration with its 95% water content. Berries bring a burst of antioxidants. Experiment with different combos for maximum impact. Pro tips. 1. Use a fruit infuser for easy removal of ingredients. 2. Try sparkling water for a fizzy twist. 3. Keep your water chilled for the best taste. Small adjustments for a big impact. Personal experiences. I've personally felt a noticeable difference in my energy levels and skin hydration since incorporating infused water into my daily routine. It's a simple, yet powerful change. If you're ready to transform your hydration routine, give infused water a try. Like and subscribe if you find these tips helpful. Share your favorite combinations in the comments below. Thank you for joining our ultimate guide to infused water creations. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay healthy.